diamonds on my ring. Since 16, I was coming down. How you gonna clean this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, you ain't got so loud.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute natural hairstyle. Shout out to WowAfrican for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all the information for this wig down in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. The name of this wig is Shayla. It is a brown ombre kinky straight unit that is 18 inches and 150% density, so it's super natural. But this specific wig is a glueless constructed wig, so you can truly wear this without any adhesive, any spray, any glue, any tape, none of that. And it's an HD lace, so it's gonna look a lot more seamless without having to melt it. So I made sure for the duration of this video I did not use any spray, I did not do anything to the lace, so that you guys can see with me styling it and kind of pulling and tugging at the wig, it's still snug on my head, and not tight, it is snug. There's a huge difference. So it feels very secure, it feels very comfortable, but it's not moving around. I don't have to feel like, you know, my hairline's pushing back because of the way that this wig is constructed. Whenever I get a kinky unit, immediately I press it out just to see how it looks. And I really do like how kinky hair straightens because it looks a lot more natural than the super silky straight hair. It is just my preference. With this unit, I didn't have to put the flat iron through it too many times. I may have done it once or twice, and it was just so pretty. Like, you guys are gonna see on this first pass alone how good it looks. Like, this looks like my hair when it's pressed. Oh my goodness. Immediately after the first pass, I knew that this was gonna flat iron perfectly, and it did. So I went ahead and flat ironed the rest of my hair. A lot of time with these kinky textures, that little kink texture that they put in there does not flat iron out, and it's all preference. I mean, obviously if you bought this texture, you don't mind it, but you want your hair to be versatile, and that's the main purpose of me flat ironing it, curling it, washing it, doing this, doing that, to see the true versatility of the hair. So I want to make sure that, yeah, if I want to wear my hair like that, I can leave it like that, or I can wear it pressed out. So once I finished pressing my hair, I was like, okay, I'm going to leave it straight because I really am liking what it's giving. But you guys know I am a curl layer girl down to the ground. So I eventually put in a few little layers in the hair, and then I also went ahead and curled it. Before we get to these curls, let's talk about these layers. Listen, one side is always T, then the other side is pretty questionable, but that's just a me thing. I need to practice cutting my hair a little bit more because I love layers. I do not like hair without layers, so I need to learn how to perfect it. But anyways, I was gonna do a little bumped moment, but see, that other side was trying me. So I was like, you know what, let's just do some loose curls just to see how the hair is holding up. And you guys, I'm so glad that I curled my hair because although this was cute, I liked this right here, I liked what this was doing, something about the curls just did it for me. And I was like, wow, this hair is popping. Because another thing, with kinky straight textures, normally the curl will not hold. With this specific unit, the curls, I have the wig on my hair right now. The curls are still in there and I have not recurled my hair. So the key to keeping curls in your hair is also layers. So I'm sure that's what contributed to it. But guys, I am obsessed with this unit, okay? I really try not to throw around the word beginner these days because let's just face it, putting on wigs is hard. There's nothing beginner about it. But I truly feel like if you are a beginner with wigs and you are trying to elevate your wig collection, this one should be added to it, simply because, first of all, the color, I love how subtle the ombre is, because a lot of time ombre goes from that dark color to like blonde, and it's just super harsh. This is just really subtle, and I feel like it would even work really well in a work environment, but still make a statement, still have a little pop, you know? And then the texture, the kinky straight is perfect because a lot of times wigs look wiggy because they're super silky. Naturally, our hair is not super silky, so when you're putting a super silky wig on, it looks crazy. This texture is amazing because you can wear it in its natural state. You can still give it a silk press and still have that nice, you know, silky look, but it doesn't look fake. There's a lot of elements to this wig that I'm just like, it's perfect. I did not have to pluck anything. I did not have to bleach anything. I literally wore this out of the box. Besides the layers, that's it. And the best part, no glue. I still have not glued the wig on yet. Like, I didn't have to do any of that. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of melting spray just so that you guys can see first of all, how effortless, why can't I talk, it is. And that's it. All I did was put a little melting spray and I just kind of hot combed the front. Again, it was optional. We're doing finishing touches here. And that's it. That's the end of this tutorial, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys check out WowAfrican. I will leave all the information for this wig down below because you guys, like, look how pretty that is. You're gonna need this. I love this one. So thanks so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.